Right, our chief marshal getting back into position. The starters over there, they're eagerly waiting for us to get underway. Okay, we're ready! And we're ready to go, we're running. Second in the Class 1, ladies and gentlemen, off and racing. Going down the back straight end towards the road bend. They'll sort themselves out now. They can't cross over until they get to that point. Now they can cross over and race. Everybody's cackling behind one another at the moment, but they'll sort themselves out. 225 has got the lead, and LM62 is behind them. Is trending in the first start. First time get the points across. We'll get around again on the start and finish straight. Up towards road bend, the sliding 225 is certainly leading them out, pushing it on as fast as he possibly can down the back straight. Now, he's coming up around Spectator Bend, gets it away, 225 as well out. Let's have a little race at the back. Northwell 24 is up to the road, on that line, 34 on the inside, pushed it, quite good. A good little bit of driving there by that lad from North Wales. Kept it very, very tight, and that's what happens with this particular group of cars, because you can't race these cars other than drive it, because they're all exactly the same. 1000cc mini, no more than 24 challenge there for that mid spot. They go into that bottom corner by the start straight. Up the start straight towards road bend they come again with 225, still on the lead, not being challenged. The last lap flagged out, and he's waiting for him to go through. 225 from North Shropshire. That's one of our friends. We've got 24 from North Wales. Gone back in the lead, down to second place. Anyway, he's looking for second place. That's the next 2 points on his list. He's looking for that second place on the Leeward Motor Group car, but he can't just find a spot to get through. The winner's okay, he's well out of it. Second place, he's coming through his 62.24. They finish all that virtually together. What a good race by them too. 65 coming from WR gets over in second place into fourth place, and 115 gets into the last and final spot 5. Excellent, excellent. Up goes the housekeeping lads, and I'm going to go.